A research synthesis presentation about level of morality during adolescent susceptible antisocial behavior. Adolescence is the transition between childhood and adulthood. This stage characterizes by biological, morphological, and physiological changes, and within these three changes, the sexual, psychosexual, and social level develop. All these changes place the teenager in a time of uncertainty and confusion, which can be seen reflected in absentia and making bad decisions. At the stage of identity development, it becomes important to find out who they are and where to go. This is why the environments in which the adolescents develop, the family, school, and neighborhood, are important. Among the physical and psychological changes in adolescence are increased or decreased self esteem, greater emotional understanding, the perception of capabilities, characteristics, and the relationship they have with the opportunities. Identity builds from an early age. Also, the image and likeness of parental figures and cultural environment of the person. These studies sought to recognize the level of moral development of adolescents who have committed an antisocial behavior and those who are prompt to it. For this purpose, a research was carried out of the following constructivist paradigm with a descriptive and qualitative design. Participants were adolescents who have incurred the commission of any antisocial behavior and those who are likely to commit it. This course was being implemented in both schools and non-school environments to discuss moral dilemmas and moral reasoning to investigate the moral development. Hypotheses established that the antisocial behavior does not have a relationship with the moral development and that there are factors which explain the moral thinking of the teenager that commits antisocial behavior. The sample for this study was 523 males and females between 9 and 18 years old, which are applied to questionnaire A to D of antisocial behaviors of 6 fingers measured with the objective moral partner development. Results established that only some aspects of antisocial behavior that relationship with moral development, creating need to determine which factors are linked with moral development. The result shows that strong emotional bonds between the members of the family allow the socialization. Also, the transmission of roles. These family dynamics with the promotion of social, recreational, moral, and religious activities isolate the children from antisocial behaviors. This kind of research produces descriptive data. It was fundamental to understand how participants construct and give meaning to their world. Through this approach describes how the participants understand the reality in their natural environment and context.